Hey everybody, it is game time and we are working on 2018 Phoenix Football Hobby Box Round 2. Box 1 was pretty good, a couple of nice patches, decent autographs, no major crazy big hit. So my crazy luck didn't really come into effect in that box. So let's see if I can get it back in this one. They are good looking cards as I expected them to be. The box price is decent. It's definitely not as much as 2017, which I just bought one of those and pulled an incredible autograph. If you haven't watched that video, I would definitely recommend it. I had been like kind of beating myself up like, why did you order 17 when 18's about to come out? And then 17 just did me right. I mean, definitely did me right. 12 packs, 5 cards per pack. We are getting 2 autos and 1 mem. And in box 1, if you go back and watch that video, you'll see I ended up with not just 2 autos, but 2 patch autos, and they were both super short print. Well, depending on what you consider super short print. One was to 75, the other to 50, but anyways, let's concentrate on this box. Matt Ryan, Stephon Diggs. This is a Deshaun Hand rookie to 299. It is a red version. QB Vision insert of Phillip Rivers. And a Ronnie Harrison rookie card. I got one of those in my first box. That's a hit, so I'm going to hold on to that. Oh, I see Josh Rosen on the back. That's nice. Goodwin, Fournette, Edelman, and Eli Manning to 199. That is a most valuable, I think, pink. And then a dirty Josh Rosen. Hopefully that'll clean up a little bit. The quality control on this product is letting me down a little bit. Definitely seen some boo-boos that should not have made it out of the factory. Another hit. AJ Lynch, Jaleel Scott to 75, a gold rookie parallel. Matt Ryan to 49, that is a most valuable, what color is that? Orange, I guess? Copper? Bronze? I don't know, but it's numbered to 49, so. Ray McLeod, I got him in the last box. Demarius Thomas, Suggs, Jalen Samuels rookie to 299, a red parallel. Agility, Le'Veon Bell. I did not get one of these inserts in box 1. And another Minka. So I'm definitely getting duplicates of some of the rookies from box 1. So maybe the rookie checklist is not very long. Kareem Hunt, Flacco, Hayden Hurst to 149, purple. QB Vision, Matt Ryan. And John Kelly rookie card. Okay, this is my Color Burst pack. You'll get one of these packs per box if you choose to buy a box. We have, my first pack wasn't so great. Let's see if this is better. Cousins, Antonio Brown, Case Keenum, QB Vision, Mike White, rookie, and Josh Adams, rookie. So, a little bit better than my first one. Still could have, definitely could have done better. Aaron Donald, LaShawn McCoy. DeAndre Hopkins to 299. That is a red parallel. Unmatched Fitzgerald. And Marquez Valdez-Scantling rookie. I also got one of those in box one. Josh Norman. Frank Gore. Zay Jones to 199. That is a pink parallel. Antonio Brown, Adrenaline Rush. And a Kurt Benkert rookie. I did not get one of those in box one, so that's good. I think that's my third hit. Let's open this and then we'll check out the hits. Hoping for somebody good. There's Trubisky. McCown. Jordan Howard to 299. Red. Case Keenum to 299. QB Vision red. And a Nick Chubb rookie. Alright, here we go. 3 packs and each one should have a hit. Starting off with Golden Tate, Bobby Wagner, Luke Kuechly, $2.99. That is orange, I believe. And then out of 25, we have a Dak Prescott Veteran Materials patch. Gold, so that is a nice mem card. Super short print. See the number there, maybe. If you're gonna just get a mem card, that's a good one to get. And Joshua Jackson rookie. Alright, these two should be autographs. Let's see, Jarvis Landry, Alshon Jeffrey, a Ben Roethlisberger. This is numbered to 149. We have Rashad Penny rookie and a DJ Moore to 199. Jersey auto, just a plain little swatch. Pretty good looking card. Nothing like the patches I got in box one. That is just plain Jane, and definitely not as short of a print as box one, but let's check this one out. Alright, Clay Matthews, Mariota, Michael Gallup rookie, Vita Vea pink to, what is that, 199. And our last is a Ronald Jones II to 299, and it's very similar to the other card. So definitely my other box was better as far as the hits go, but these are both decent rookies to get. This one has a touch of white showing on that top corner. Yeah, I'm definitely not jazzed about the quality control with this product, but I guess, you know, we keep buying it. So these two, and the I'm definitely happy with this. I know some people are down on him at the moment, but still, he's a good quarterback in my mind. And this is to 25. So alright, that's it. I like Phoenix, even if, you know, I don't get anything crazy good. I love the base design. I love the colored parallels. I love how many numbered cards you get. I like the inserts. This ticks like all the boxes for me. So you will probably see me open more of this. But first we got to get through Prism, which is on the expensive side. This is way more affordable than, well, it's about half the price of Prism. So may get some more of this after Prism. We'll see. Yeah, that's what comes out next. So alright, thanks for watching. I will be back with some more breaks very, very soon.